The Oppo F29 Pro 5G has been designed to handle daily life challenges with durability and advanced features. It comes with protection against 18 different types of liquids, including water, rain, juice, coffee, milk, and even soda. While the phone can resist splashes and accidental spills, prolonged immersion or misuse can still affect the speakers and microphone, so it is recommended to dry the device properly if it comes into contact with liquids. Over time, as with all devices, water and dust resistance may reduce due to regular wear. In terms of performance, Oppo has tested the F29 Pro extensively in its labs. The phone delivers up to 300% better low-band signal performance compared to the F27 Pro Plus 5G in lab conditions. Powered by a large single-cell battery with a typical capacity of 6,000 mAh, it supports fast and reliable charging and is built to last over 5 years, retaining more than 80% of its capacity with daily use. Oppo's SUPERVOOC charging ensures the phone powers up quickly while maintaining safety. The Oppo F29 Pro is also tough when it comes to durability. It has passed multiple international tests, including the MIL STD 810H 2022 standards, which cover high and low temperatures, humidity, vibration, sand, dust, and impact. However, like any electronic device, it should still be handled with care to avoid damage from drops or strong impacts. The phone also carries an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance, offering strong protection during everyday use, though it is not meant for deep water activities like professional diving. On the design side, the device comes in stylish marble white and granite black options with a unique glass fiber fabric back cover. The screen delivers a peak brightness of 1,200 nits, making it clear even under bright sunlight. Oppo has also added smart features like glove touch support, an AI ultra-clear mode to enhance old or low-resolution photos, and screen translation tools for multiple languages. For entertainment, the F29 Pro features a 300% ultra-volume mode for louder sound through its speakers, making it perfect for watching videos or listening to music without headphones. With RAM expansion technology, the phone uses software to optimize background apps, creating smoother performance for multitasking. In short, the Oppo F29 Pro 5G combines durability, power, and smart features. From its 6,000 mAh long-lasting battery and IP69 protection to its bright AMOLED screen and advanced AI tools, this phone is designed for users who want reliability and performance in one stylish package.